Hello world, my name is Shelley Benhoff and welcome to my course, Fostering Effective Team Collaboration and Communication. I'm a senior consultant and professional trainer at Hofstech, and I'm a top author here at Pluralsight. I have also managed global teams, and this course includes real stories from my professional career. In this course, we're going to go through several entertaining animated scenarios featuring a cast of characters that hold various positions within an organization. You'll watch as the management team develops their communication practices to achieve the maximum level of productivity. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include implementing a communication strategy, avoiding miscommunication, reviewing the effectiveness of meetings, establishing trust, avoiding the silo effect, and leading a self-managing team. By the end of this course, you'll know how you can apply the strategies presented in this course in your current job as a manager to help you plan and roll out communications practices to support your goals while minimizing miscommunication to ultimately reduce project timelines and costs. I hope you'll join me on this journey to effectively develop your communication practices with the Fostering Effective Team Collaboration and Communication course here on Pluralsight.